Oh baby, give me that 2%. Hold on, milk, we're gonna go fast. So we got the milk. Yeah! Yo. Are we rolling? Yeah. Hell yeah. Dude, okay. Alright, so we're going to Walmart right now. I gotta get a gallon of milk because I got a bunch of cereal I want to eat. But I'm on the bike, so I have no idea how I'm gonna carry it back. I might have to put it in my lap for safekeeping or whatnot. But on the way, I'm going to tell you all about why the pyramids are the most interesting, fascinating thing that has ever existed. Today, I actually, just real quick, I forgot that I had a little silencer on my exhaust. And so I took it off. Actually, by forgot, I mean I had no idea until I looked at it. I saw that little C-clamp down there. Watch this. Listen to this thing. Dude. Watch this, watch. Yo. Yo, okay, alright. So, the pyramids, they're out in the middle of the desert. I'm talking about the ones from Giza, okay? If you don't know what a pyramid looks like, it's this shape in the desert. It's like a big square triangle in the middle of nowhere. They're just kind of sitting there, and we don't have anything like indicating where they came from, and so we have our best scientists working on it. And by best, I mean best. They're not that great. They have no idea what they're talking about. Man, that thing sounds so much better now that I got that silencer out of there. Their best guess as to where the pyramids came from is that they were designed by the Egyptians like 6,000 years ago, and they were using brass tools and sand and different sorts of water systems to like cut this rock up and then put it all together. They kind of just thought that they used like beams and stuff to get like leverage. And there's like 2.5 something million stones in just the Great Pyramid. In my opinion, it is the most insane story that I've ever heard in my life, because it's so clear that that's not the case. Furthermore, they thought that it was used as like a tomb when there's been no evidence to suggest that it's been used as a tomb. There was nothing inside the Great Pyramid. Absolutely nothing. Now, what's crazy is that recently the Sphinx was just uncovered. Yo, that's my buddy's girlfriend's car, I think. The Sphinx was just discovered to be about 12,000 years old. Okay, I'll get into like why that was maybe in another video, but it basically just doubled the age of the pyramids and the Sphinx. Dude, it sounds so much better. Now, my theory is that there's aliens, but not just any aliens. There's aliens that were once humans that are now back on Earth, and as of now, I mean 12,000 years ago, they were building something crazy. I've got a couple theories about that. One of them involving the pyramids being used as like electronic harnessing, like a power system. I'll get into that in another video, as I said earlier. But dude, so think about this. We've got these pyramids that are just out in the desert, supposedly made by essentially cavemen. I'm having too much fun today, dude. I gotta slow down. So they're made by cavemen, and then we're just forced to assume that they were able to pull that off by themselves back in the day. I think not. I think that they had some superior technology, and here's why. The pyramid is perfectly aligned to true north, not just compass north, but the actual physical north of the longitude latitude lines. The exact coordinate that represents where the pyramid is, the Great Pyramid of Giza, it corresponds, I forget exactly how, there's some math that's involved, but it directly corresponds to the speed of light. If you take like the speed of light in meters per second, you'll basically just have the exact location. There's a couple more things that it has. I forget exactly what it is, but it's obvious that there was a ton of planning and a ton of design that went into this pyramid, and it wasn't just haphazardly thrown together. And I think we all know that. Oh, okay. Yeah, we just need a gallon of milk. The only problem is I don't know how I'm gonna get this gallon of milk to come with me. The milk. There she blows. Oh baby, give me that 2%. Give me that 2%. When is it? The 27th. Nice. I don't know. How am I gonna carry this home? Get this start up, dude. Watch this. Oh. Okay. You think I can just carry it in my little lap down here? I don't know, dude. It's a little risky. Oh, please don't fall out. Please don't fall out, milk. I think I can do this. I hope I don't like crush it and then have all the milk fall out. Oh, please. Oh, don't make me stop. Come on, dude. I got milk. I got precious cargo. This is a core workout, dude. I'm already sweating and I just left. Oh shit. Okay. Hold on, milk. Hold on, milk. We're gonna go fast. Oh. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Okay. So we got the milk. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Now we got the pyramids in my theory. Okay. So here's what I think happened. The ancient humans that used to live on Earth, and I do believe that they did. They used to live on the Earth, and they were extremely more advanced than we are today. I mean, like night and day difference. Like they could build the pyramids, okay? And then some kind of natural disaster took place, which would coincide almost exactly with the Younger Dryas period that Randall Carlson talks all about. And I'll make another video about the Younger Dryas and exactly what happened there, and the proof kind of that the world was wiped out, and it actually coincides with the Bible and the Great Flood, the story of Noah. I think that a asteroid impact took place and the humans were forced to leave. Some of the people were able to go and some of them had to stay behind, and a lot of them probably died, but I'm assuming that some of them stayed alive. This is actually part, now I'm moving into Joe Rogan's theory, which is that the people that were able to survive that were going to be the most barbaric, insane people, and that's why we're so barbaric and insane, because all those genes were passed on to us that we have now. I'm assuming also that they were able to produce a far greater society back in the day, by the looks of it, just given the technology represented by the pyramids. The people that were left behind obviously are going to be us, and the people that went out, obviously they're still going to be alive because they had this great technology. I do believe that there are aliens that are here. I wholeheartedly believe that, but I also think that there are humans that we would believe to be aliens that are also here, if that makes any sense. I still got the milk, by the way. Don't worry. It's still in my lap. Oh, gotta slow down. Man, I can do this all day, dude. I can carry anything you want. I wonder what I should carry next. I tried carrying toilet paper yesterday. It didn't work out. Oh, but every single bump, the milk flies up just a little bit. I'm wondering, what are we doing? Why are they coming back? Maybe they're coming back, maybe they're not. Please, do you see me? Thanks, dude. I actually do believe that the alien sightings that we've seen recently are most likely not human. Actually, wait a minute. They might be human because Bob Lazar talks about one of the alien crafts being uncovered in an like an archaeological dig. And so if that's the case, if that's true, if there was an alien craft that was uncovered in an archaeological dig, that would hint at the fact that we had them back in the day. And maybe it's our own technology, right? Maybe the freaking, maybe all the alien stuff is just us from long ago, and those are the true people that are actually running the world, but they're not even running it from the world, they're running it from elsewhere. Okay, dude, I gotta park, and then I got the milk safe. Gotta park and I got the milk safe. Yeah, baby. Wow. Thank God. Oh, now I can enjoy my cereal and have some what's it called, mac and cheese. Right on, dude. Yeah, so anyway, these are all just ideas that I've got floating around. These are all, you know, I don't know even if myself believe them, so take everything I say with a grain of salt, but stay curious and definitely question everything that you see. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.